Brittany said, I'm not sure. Husband and wife duo, Brittany and Paul. It's Romelos or Romelos?
Romelos.
Romelos. They started their sweet treats company in 2022. And today they're here to showcase their edible arrangements by Banana Bread JA. And guess what, guys? Valentine's Day is right around the corner.
Yep.
So if you weren't quite sure what to get your other half, then this may just be a gift idea for you.
Yes.
Good morning, guys.
Hi, good morning.
Your own Valentine's Day story, lovely. You guys have been married for, you say 6, Brit says 7. I'm just going to say 6.5. Let's just average it out. And you guys say you're best friends, which I'm sure brings a lot of camaraderie and ease of working together in the business, no?
Yes, yes.
So how did the business begin?
All right, it started last year during Mother's Day. My wife was pregnant. She was up. You want to help with the story, babe?
Okay, so initially, we wanted to do just banana breads. That's how the whole name came about.
Because that's what you do.
Yes, that's what I'm mostly good at. So we registered at that just to save the name, and then I got pregnant, so I had to put that on a pause. So during Mother's Day, I got inspired by God to just start doing edible arrangements. So it was very difficult at first, but what I did, I used what I know, and then I just put my expertise, and then we knocked heads because he's the person that does most of manual labor, and I put in my creative juices.
Tell me how that works now, because the article says Paul does the cravings.
Yes, carvings, yeah.
Yes.
Well, they say cravings. I was wondering about that, Paul, because Brit was the one who was pregnant. But I digress.
Yes.
Tell me how you split the labor.
All right, so usually when we get an order, say for instance, like happy birthday, I would do the carvings either with a knife. I'll carve out the, HBD or happy birthday, in the fruits actually. So I would carve them, set up all the arrangements, and then my wife assemble everything.
How did you learn to do that?
Trial and error.
Trial and error.
Really?
Yes.
And so you partnered with the flower company.
Yes, we partnered with
Gorgeous Flowers.
Yes.
And you just put everything together. Now here's I've never seen, and typically you see these things, you've probably seen something like it before. I've never seen this. So come with me, Vin. Who is Vin or who's gonna? So I looked in this box and it just registered to me that what I'm really looking at is strawberries.
Yes.
Covered in chocolate. And what is this? What is
Wine and roses.
What's this
The
pink and
banana
white
wine.
stuff on it?
But it's sprinkles, edible sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
Yes,
Edible sprinkles.
This is so cute and so romantic.
Yes.
Because you drink the wine, you eat the strawberries, you shell the rose them, and you're just gonna have a really good day or night. This is a great gift to land on somebody's office desk.
Yes.
Gentlemen, and also ladies, because some people feel like it's Uncle Man alone must send
Men get
Valentine's Day gift.
Yeah.
And this is how this is so cute, you guys. Look at this. This is really nice.
Yes.
And then the others know you're interspersing the chocolate again
With the roses.
with the roses and more chocolate.
Yes. So this is
That's store bought, right?
Yes.
And this one, what does it say on the bottom?
Love.
Love. Oh, you guys, Brit and Paul come to save us. Yeah. You ain't sure what you was going to get. Look, see. So the pot says love on it. You don't customize, so you couldn't get somebody's name on it, or
yes, it's possible for us to do that.
put a name on the. See, guys, I got you. I got you. So you just, how long does this stand? So if I deliver this to an office place, I'd have to worry that the strawberries are the chocolate going to melt. Or,
No, that's gonna melt. No.
No, we use tempered chocolate, so you'd have to be at a very high temperature before it can actually melt.
Okay, so this one is nice too.
Yes.
But let's talk about the queen of a year.
Yes.
So this one has the wine in it at the top, and then you guys can see Soulja Man got it. The roses, and you put little bling in them.
Yes.
So actually I came up with this morning.
Yes. We came up with this idea this morning. It's the first time we're actually doing it.
Really?
Yes.
I love this. And so you can customize this too. Maybe you can get a name on the front. Happy birthday, sweetie bread or something. Whatever you call it. And the wine is in there. This is lovely, guys. And so is this all fruit?
Yes, it's all fruit.
Is this your signature, kind of like your signature product?
Yes.
Okay.
And this is the main size that we have, or 8-inch. this would be the final product when it's actually finished and ready to be delivered.
So the beauty, but you hide the beauty in the, we can't see what's under there. We want to see one without it. I think, Kay, you might have a picture. If you do,
Yes.
you can show us. Can I opt in? Suppose my person does not like apple or...
Oh, yes.
We have a list, and then you could choose to us if there's any allergies, any dislikes, and work around
So
it.
too for the rose, the flowers?
Yes.
Okay.
So if you
'cause
like blue rose, white rose, we could get them for
lilies,
Lilies.
carnations,
Anything.
Yes, any
sunflowers.
Anything.
Any
Sunflowers.
Any flower.
Ah, that's my favorite flower.
Yes.
And they're so hard to find.
Yes, they are.
You guys, this is really nice.
Thank you.
How has business been since you launched?
Great.
Business has been great.
Excellent. So is this
Excellent.
full time for you both now or no? Okay. But maybe one day, right?
Yeah, maybe one day, yes.
Excellent. Look here now. The only thing left for me to do is give you the money in your hand to go and buy the tea. Speaking of which, this is not going to block our pocket.
No.
Competitively priced.
Yes.
Okay. You want to give me a range? Can you?
About
From here,
okay. So the 12 chocolate strawberry box rose.
12. So you're going to ask for the 12 chocolate strawberry box roses.
Yes, that's 13,000.
Okay. And my friend over here with the
That friend is 15,000.
15.
Yes.
And this friend over here?
25.
Yes, I think so too. And this friend over here?
That's 8.
8,000.
Signature is 8.
Yes.
Guys, you don't have any excuse.
No.
Get going. Where do we find you?
You can find us on Instagram at Banana Bread JA. That's where we do most of our business. So you can just message us, and then we could sort out your order from there. And if you have something customized, we can get that done.
Right, but they would need to do it fast because the orders are going to start
We cut
coming
off
in.
on
Oh,
February 6th. yes.
cut off on February 6th.
Yes.
I have a question. Do you actually bake banana bread and sell it now? Just checking. I mean,
Yes, we do.
so why you can't put some banana bread into
Oh,
the...
we actually
we have.
do.
Oh.
Yes, we
We
have.
have.
So we can get banana bread in there if we want.
Yes.
But we have to ask for it.
Yes.
Copy that. And is banana bread the only pastry you do for now?
For now.
For now.
You have to ask. We're not gonna say no. You just ask. and-
Also, though, stick to your core. If banana bread is your core, then banana bread is your core.
Yes.
Love this. Love this for all of us.
Yes.
Including those of us who have no Valentine. We buy it for ourselves.
Yes.
Well,
I'm
that's
going to be
true.
talking to you about an order. Managing director and co-founders of Banana Bread JA. You find them in social, Instagram at Banana Bread JA. Link them up. Make your order because come February 6th with MAGA, it pop, right? So get your order in for either the box, lovely bouquet, big box over here, or the signature. Well done, guys.
Thank you.
Congratulations and
Thank
all the
you.
best to you.
All right.
It's obvious that your heart is in this, and
Yes.
when
Yes.
passion and purpose collide, stars are the living. All right, we'll take a break on Smile. Soon come back. Very nice.